Paddy Whackery.
Run over Verdenig. You haven't shown shot a gun done bus.
So she's
Serious? Can't answer me anymore.
Hepper all over the Hillman's Kadisha.
Barbara LeMay.
Vi ich in the Rossi, August in speed dating. Ufasach.
Who's talking?
Agus near Idlin and Skull Tamana a Hosnu Garth.
Okay, so before doing Ruddy and Differil.
Before the night ass.
Cared?
Niet so gaibru mach, agus nekem she ken goeie nachvoor sha. Dym she kriech ni lesh.
Who's Kerry Ainig too?
Tá gal tasto.
Agus well target a good dullig tastel.
Smuin oi mar the kins.
Agus for an what much? Beg me job to gno ma rit Kayla. Cared for vet de Vossford Hain. Cared for Craig Grand. Dun gno for Termac.
Tá sha cluste agam hana Paddy.
Cooker. On Caterella, when will Eddie Sausage your curse and arved and argued more. He stopped with me imach too.
Ní stop het we gemacht me. Branner sha.
Has the garrigad when done bus?
Oh, nach wil ga hush voet. Kan me heeft nach schoelen toe.
School?
Ja. Oh, no de goeie na shande in a fado. Ik school ga kaach.
Agus cared.
Wait, no so voet. But ja, dotje, we hebben kort de garrigad de gobber goed heen. Hier is toe.
Shot on made arrogant a tall gun. Cut us page yen at the €1. Come on! Oh, get in!
How much did you win?
50 big ones!
€50?
Yes, sir. 25 more scratch cards, please.
I hope you haven't spent all your redundancy check on scratch cards. You still owe me rent, remember?
You'll get your rent. The check hasn't arrived yet.
Any luck?
Nothing.
I'll have a go. Up. Who's your landlord?
Just one then.
That's all I need. Well, you've either got it or you don't got it. And I've got it.
How much?
A cool GP.
You're taking the piss.
Read it and weep it.
What does weep it mean?
You know exactly what it means. Loser.
Ken doen na delta taki eerst te goribe. Je hoge sjoen aan Amsterdam stegen naar te machodief.
James ne clue heb kem heen. Sha. Kunja.
Ach. Keert woonje.
Tá má gemacht as bloklie.
Hartje. Dat het echt rest kunnen maar mars.
Níl mee. Tá má rohnam. Rutje, gevloklie, gehollerit. Tá má cream nu arm heen an oorsa. Tá má gal tasta.
Tasta. Cannot.
Níle sam.
Gan ik gewoon. Je moet je al kiel maar rit.
Is kommen am kinne happen stisse. Kunja an fáine agus fána máchwem.
Is je meent te go tichtie te gemerten a heel. Je weet toch, a gauw wet te de gusha.
Grow up.
Tá ceartig Siobhan. Tá sé seo amadag.
Nu is het go. Neil to go out the saw a garth in echer. Na hantre pineri more shin. Van bog. Na hagre gano shin Vech. Ach nian siad recht van ons hotel le hoel is krochien siad. Shedevish a rastalien an recht van is shin. Naar gomer galier ri am an gater. Ní fallar ná go bhfuil de cheacht nóhan de smuinte mohan son. Oscail de húlia a bhicó, agus ná gún de chlósach an erid.
Las Vegas, your lights so bright, your blackjack deals are racist.
Give it a rest, Leo. You'll wake the dead with that racket.
Fusha, ná bhfuilm dúise a hana héin.
Oh, I'm sorry. Are you working too hard to appreciate culture?
There's nothing cultural about you singing bleeding karaoke in the shower.
Karaoke? Las Vegas was the #1 Broadway smash hit of the 1980s.
Well, the 80s can keep it. I can't hear myself think here.
Do you know how many Tony Awards it won? It's a masterpiece of the 20th century.
And bhfuil sé sin a caint marialar mar leabharsa.
I don't care. I just don't need you singing when I'm trying to work here.
Suit yourself, Pete. But if you can't find a job, you might have to sing for your supper.
Mairi go majin, green taur tan.
John Rama Skelliga. Show it and swing of his pharaoh.
I show Las Vegas and McDini a giri eka. Ní gaga, make gach ruddy nyelga co groom in a peg stairs.
Being hen and starche. That's got to know you. I'd sell my goat for a piece of cheese. Will anybody give me cheddar money? Push it tops the town, shot to shot.
Iontak. Anish, an Jonta sin.
Ní féidirm don't as a hurted. Gan the quid capital hen a vergot.
Shogit, €1,000,000.
Always. Anish, ma I realize in Lericon show. Beg to announce Jonta sneeze flock. Hola. Maar halinsha. Tamagrafor kele. Ik kan er komen dra meer damaterig. In jesker kan die atleer. Ga mee toe. Voor de jangwal. Agus. Ga we snap met partse shodomsa.
Na hopper fuck a lady. Las Vegas, my favorite vice. So come on down and roll the dice. Las Vegas.
Get seo?
Las Vegas, the Broadway show.
Tá sam an show, Paddy. Ach get a gist an sin.
Sinard no nua. Ag astru Las Vegas go gaelge.
Ke fámach ein den geras in hianna.
Is show on popular, eh? Bú sé go Lord Tony Awards.
Nílinn sin mamán.
Tá sem ag Eddie on.
Will?
I roi leis an blan shosh fan. Tas tín tusa wem con é astru.
Oh, níle sam, Paddy.
Canach tú an ticket don Echelon.
Níor cheanna, ach.
Déine seo ar dús, agus an sin is féidir le dullig tastal nor bheith an show hart.
Fan second. Cáirtas an tairigid.
Oh, Eddie.
Ní hiúrach Eddie Jones chut minamach airgid ad rivré. So cáir tú a?
Ní féidir lom reveal my sources, Your Honour. Sin an taile le haig an show a astru. Déine mis packet nor yílin sé amach.
Don't deny it, Pete. You stole my lottery ticket.
I didn't steal it. In fact, I did you a favour. I cashed it in to save you the trouble.
Oh.
But
What?
I could double it for you.
How?
How would you like to be an investor in show business?
I don't know, Pete. What's the return like on an entertainment portfolio?
You could be associate producer.
Associate producer? I like the sound of that. I'm not doing it if it's one of your Irish things.
Why would it be an Irish?
Paddy agus Siobhan glacim leis. Mi sé Valerie Clinton vic widish. Gan pardúna gwif, tá súlagam nach ro sé vig fánach dro ada.
Oh, ní raibh.
Tá Edward treis an méitina einsin tom fuif, tá an script aus. Astruchaint an sco, nach intach go dio an drama
Tan ceirtad.
Feice mé sibh de hína ag an glachta.
Ó, ní dóilem go
Bebe John. Ní chail mi sé ar orna agad.
Intach feice mé an sin sibh. Nis tá na heistóri agus an irin léirithe beagnach sacragan chur mar fóg rís an gná áitna. Alors, à bientôt, mes enfants.
Cechi féach sé sé inanam, A siú sí le balla timppla a dá fin dros. Rámachrí. Imi. Sa díochás chuil sí. Bitch!
Crackálta faoi sport. A garach don an chaidlint wet. Tá leis na faive an. Drama séisiúrú sport TG4. Show sport gachíne. GA Bill gach dúnach. Agus súl siar le GA rábíle sa off gach lún. Ná dincha edisa. Sá sport an bára seo TG4.
Coffee, folks?
Yes, please.
With sugar. 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 Yes, sugar. You heard of sugar, Earl?
Nope. They want Splenda.
Oh.
Because Splenda low-calorie sweetener tastes just like sugar, it's taken America by storm.
Splendid.
No, honey, Splenda.
Splenda tastes like sugar without all the calories. Some say the difference between winning and losing is all in the mind. If that's true, prepare to start winning. Baraka, the high-performance vitamin.
Want pain-free directory inquiries? 11,890, 43 cents cheaper per call.
With Weetabix, you'll love eating a different breakfast every day. Just you watch. Weetabix and fresh berries, and you're on your way to one of your 5 a day. Or, to help set you up for the day, just go bananas. Oh, look, and the mini ones have got extra tasty bits and whole grain too. Basically, there are loads of ways to enjoy eating your Weetabix. The Weetabix Week. Give it a go.
Okay, lads, Cúnis are set. Shri, Wilshire Bray, Desh Rock, Shock, Papa Caddy, Duna, Papa Kaz, TG Kaz, Sulele.
Wacky, ni vai tu brano an salo ho ni smu.
Shock, Desh Rock, South Park, Papa Kaz, Sheen Siach, their TG4.
Ligdom si bachar in national, donna hashtag intacha tágain. By Declan and Shaw, Sophia Fort, Baxter Tarantino.
Dirk not a cat make around my own way. Turn in, shoot the stock or reached me.
August by Felicity, e Barton Colleen Dowse, Glitzy McBride. Anna Mier Felicity Tri Huera, mar van Ashtor amateurach na bliana. Ach, farir, near was you rive.
And am neach meer alive.
August by our Gara Dealish Edward, e Roland Vinishterus a drive-through.
Tá a gastarach daddy?
O tá, sean astor mishe. Agus chuir Valerie Brewerm, a cheachtar a seahúr.
Sean Astor.
Tops of the town, shock to shock.
Agus Homalish and Talon of Shaw Sturo, Glacamisha, Port, Cynthia Davenport, a Hogan unlucky Chip, the Baxter.
How are you? Leopold Tierney, associate producer.
What are you doing here?
I'm the associate producer. I need to be involved.
Rehearsals aren't really an associate producer thing, Leo.
Well, I want to see what my money is going to be used for.
Your money's not spent.
What? Already?
Yeah, on posters and programs.
These posters?
You said it wasn't going to be in Irish.
I never said that.
I can't believe you're ruining my favourite show with my own money. I want it back, P. All of it.
Deascéal a chuin úsla. Áhas ar a chláistáil gohfuil an díal ar na ticéidí tá chéad dá ihe díal tamach nach mór.
What did she say?
The show's going to be a sellout. Not bad for your first investment in show business.
Well, I said it before, P. You've either got it or you don't got it. And I still got it. But I want a bigger return on my investment.
I'll see what I can do.
Kif ar do essen is dag te scale.
Na tusa vína kind of goni for investors.
In esticht sin wat de one. Ach naar een het producer aan de go.
Associate producer. Bin het heen valak les an arrogant all why.
Wel ma vin 5 on by Ertze Dela les.
And they can too care the an associate producer.
Tannen sich erst zwei Husar waschen.
Aber lo me.
Macht das in recht.
Taisa gom.
Niet je de tweetal kaartje. Niet te vol korme fijne chodip.
Very my god.
Begrijpt dat je een vol de hat, maar galig zijn stil. Wat laat hij interessant?
Is goed. Sin dierok a dhéanas me. Stas go duine bháin hartan seo aithní talan or a hin siad
Tá sé scrista. Tá seo scrista. Gléas a gí sé féin. Sfeidir libh go léir dal a bhaile.
Get tú rá?
Ón vitseach sin.
Hen vitseach?
Felicity. Fies a gom nach mar si an ag roll Glitzy McBride.
Cer a harla?
Tá si ibe lei. Amach a doras gan leisgil ar be. Bei ma anna mílt.
Ach tan seo ag tusnú I gan lahor.
Ní bhaia nach.
What's up with her now?
We've no leading ladies, so no show.
What about my money?
It's not my fault.
I know. What if we torch the place? We're insured, aren't we?
Man will is a good Kate Tossalach Fakin or not.
Cain dinner.
Who's the on Commissioner Gaeliga? Cahin showed dollar rig, Cahish eyebrow. No bear to Dion to sa sheik. August the road at Marigan Moor.
Well, Pete, what do you think?
What? Come on, Leo.
Well, you figure out a way to get me my money.
Certá wet in ish.
Fuck a vico. Ni hasti an ein rud an echo wemse. Ach had a hasti an wetje, sin a hiest.
A lawn arrogant.
Oh, ni he an target bonus bar an scale of hochil. Brahan in a heenrod na hashjori. Keetagat an ish.
Sin I an ibe.
Catfult heen.
Yeah, right, Peg. Back into my sequence.
What's your name, Sonnish?
Níl bailach ar be.
A caithé tú. Rinne tusa an tastrachan. Ní higgin éine an fart, cum as a higgin tusa é.
Ke a hálach dan nimach moet waisa. Man a dáín an show, amach sa gedan is sin?
Fech, kinte. Fech Leopold a gíri arrogant, agus Eddie freshen. Ní acum hé Eddie mar seo riv. Glock Park Glitzy.
Hábhil me tusa an géad láíomh, agus níéit me dionne ní smú. Ní dionne me é.
Ach dúir tú go néimfá an cean seo do mé Eddie sásta leis.
Ach ní mar ceol na dansa mar chud san war geíomh. Kit sa deala tarsúlaat san seo?
Tá cad am sa bhesin seo má cinna leat.
Ceirt?
Dinis, tú blégum na hiúan. Dúir tú lom ro tú gimachtas bra clí. Sa réon chama, Ma hain titi yn rôl yn awchlwn yn ys. Coltas y gol.
Tá mae gimocht. Agus bisiad chud sé imacht farsin. Ní bhhaine an áte leat.
Manam nach manin, na leat sa chandarit. Achas manam gdanin tú hain as. Bín tú gúni sásta na myntyn endi lwm sa chiwan. Fi sam gorans mwyn fa am Felicity sy'n i Ebert.
Ca tá sáta fao Felicity?
Ní anna mis tada. Siachas began i'n misnich o hwrta sias y sústa hyn. Sy'n ymwyd. Stoi gyda'r Paddy na bunny sy'n ar sias yr sachti. Ach ni hafol y tyn giaf sio. Maar ni'r belach ydbi gyfeitach tysach al sústa ar y stotir. Ni cael i'n ar y gweisio nhw hiwan.
Fecamans.
Is cuma man bhfuil tú ábhal a canna. Feici tú go hálann sa gúna seo. An bhliain se thugann, béidir.
Is sali or the extrachalam on tadiged katse silicone gach ich ja ag denne varnihal wahale fida viner meshka Bian mahochan ag kalini dansa freshen
Mis geestig was een bichasad.
Kijk, dat doe ik dan van seo.
Maar dan moet job.
Nee, has doen tú ó Siobhan. Get over it, yeah?
Oh ja. Dat doe ik cousins in is. Ach, trek is je hossa. Een goeie aan de gene zich trek je mis bichasad.
En ik mag het seo.
Vraag maar. Dan nog tussen een jool. Check hem on fire.
Curran an boxan an govaram. Manam go effisar gan o aging fado. Vishlita going condila hale. Bwdda chi yn breil sŵn ta mare.
Kerpa cor ienaf.
Fuck fu me.
Las Vegas, let the wind let love. The sun Canadian, more purple. Let juice, let flesh, live sus my heart. Off the streets of life, may I run and more. The sad girl left, call him my young. Off the has them when go golden run. Las Vegas.
Las Vegas.
Wel, cefych after?
Ní raibh tú ráil costóga. Chas mé le séamas.
Is cad hála.
Tá sé go léir fí smach.
Finish tanafas.
One.
Good deal.
Oscar fucking Doris!
Cogranis. Is ólig go bhfuil an saoil ag gealúd ar móchal. Tá sé ag fiscint solas I lárn an dorchadis.
Solas?
Ní an solas son in anam chrim. Will you second? Taimse ag fáil blas héal na siamsaíochta. An gíon túna sé. A náid an son fé hailse. Peg.
A Siwan a chrí ví tú haar bar. Aus fag. Cara tú I balachwen.
Mai who? Fi is gum na lig fascius me. Shall eat of what?
Well, get a captain too. What's a big phonics?
Nearly some, Paddy. Shannon man ticket.
Oh.
Well, shachuingid. An dynamic duo id hen. A faddy, a hiban. Sha uchtaran commission of Ergan.
Stas, cost I live.
Your Holiness.
A hatten an show her balance nuchtaran. A when catagam uchtaran.
Oh, tog on doubt.
Gurmila Mahad.
An spoin of a bahe, show coilul mar show ha ashtru. Rach sé mishnach, do lig lekle drama choshan vunna helesh. Vi Eddie Ginchendom, Marioler and Dulchan Kina ta jenta agav. Is lerger iranian shiv. Is time lan kinche. Gwil shiv tres tacht smuinev a will feedrach tiga no fa chermacha a buintlesh.
An tiggin shiv ke the Killian session.
Tiggin Stoker.
Tagi is chach, nur tan lerach an kriechnehe. Aberling kavil vor driel darliv. Is mish Lord fwy chorsi arrogatish in Ieshin. Cogard the Sarish.
Care to captain too?
Stoch ik mag mijn aan en had ik $1 een ticket?
Oh, darling, you were great. No, you were great. No, you were great. Mwah, mwah. Right, I'm off. By night, I'm a successful theatre producer. But let's be honest, Pete, the real money's in the day job.
It's not all about the money, Leo.
Good one, Pete.
No, I'm serious. I have a good feeling about this one.
I don't care what you feel, as long as you pay your rent. And you can start by cashing your redundancy check. I'll be back later to collect what you owe me. How much did you get?
None of your business.
Suit yourself, Pete. It's all mine anyway.
Mairigam majan green a taur tanov hula nul da casa is hjol binnen brok is mil te garre kraur no bavada foi megan makala is lawok gonits ren on shonok ruren garig mile lueg marki